Welcome to Practice Better. In this tutorial, I'll be walking you through creating forms and waivers in the portal. Forms are used to collect information from your clients as well as acquire signatures for any policies or waivers you want your clients to sign. Let's start by navigating to My Practice, Forms and Waivers. From here, click on the red Fast Action button to view different ways that you can create forms. The Create Form option allows you to build a form from scratch using the Practice Better Form Builder. Clients can easily and seamlessly fill out these forms within the client portal, directly from their email notifications or during the booking process. The Create Waivers option works the same as the previous option, although it will include a signature component by default, which will require your client's signature. This is useful for forms such as privacy or cancellation policies. The Upload Form or Worksheet option allows you to upload an external file from your computer's hard drive. These forms cannot be completed within the platform and will need to be downloaded by the client to work on and uploaded for submission. The Create from Template option will allow you to download pre-made form templates. Here is an example of all the templates that we have available in Practice Better. Once downloaded, these forms can be edited to suit your specific needs. This will be a time saver as you won't need to build the form from scratch. Let's take a look at an existing form template that I created. To add components to this form, use the toolbar on the right-hand side. You can hover over the different components to identify the one you're wishing to use. As you can see, there are a variety of components that you can use to customize your forms. To add a question, select the icon and drag it to the gray line. The gray line indicates where the new question will go. Alternatively, if you click the icon, the component will be added to the bottom by default. If a component is already added, hover over the question, which will allow you to easily edit, duplicate, or delete the question. Signatures can also be added at the end of your forms and waivers. You can add up to 3 signatures, 1 for yourself and 2 for your clients. This is helpful if you need a parent or guardian signature for your client. Now, let's take a look at some advanced options by scrolling up to the top. You can create conditional flows in Practice Better forms. This feature allows you to show or hide questions based on a client's response to a previous question. For example, if you have different intake questions for men and women, instead of creating 2 separate forms, you can trigger a set of questions to appear when a specific form answer has been selected. You also have the option to use grand totals and averages in your forms. You can configure these aggregates based on numeric questions in your forms. You will need at least 1 grid, numeric, or scale question in your form to set this up. You can also add form redirect URLs under the Additional Options tab. When a client completes this form, they will be redirected to the link you add here. For example, you could redirect your clients to a thank you page or back to your booking page to display your offerings. If you click the 3 dots beside your form, you will see a variety of different options. You can preview the form from your client's perspective by selecting the Preview option. If you select the Complete for Client option, this allows you to fill out the form on behalf of your client. The Share Link option gives you a public link to your form. This is helpful if you want to link your form on your website or share it with a client directly. You can select the Create Widget option to create a widget of your form that you can place on your website. This is great if you want an application process or a screening before working with a client. Lastly, you can share your form templates with other practitioners by selecting the Manage Sharing option. This allows you to share a form within your team or with another practitioner on Practice Better. This concludes our form tutorial. We hope you found this helpful. Please check out our Help Center for more information and resources.